Let's play study. Oh, divisibility of 7. Oh, divided by 7? That's right. No shortcut for this. Okay, that's why you have to try. Okay, all the way from the left hand side, you must try. That means, hey, no shortcut. Okay, then how about number 6? Oh, divided by 6. Oh, that means, that's right. You have to check both for divided by 2 and divided by 3. That means divided by 2, that must be what? That's an even number. That means odd number right here. Oh, that's no good. Okay, so the answer is no, right there. Now, what about this one? Oh, the last digit, which is one digit, is even number. That's good sign. Now we must check divisibility by 3. See, we still have question mark right here. That means, oh, we add everything, keep adding until one digit should be divisible by 3. Okay, we check. Okay, 1, 2, 3, that's 6. Okay, 10. Okay, 5, that means 15. 15 plus this one, 21. 21, again. 21 means like this one, so 2 and 1, you add again. That's 3. Oh, that's good. That's why this one, divisible by 2 and 3, both. That's why divisible by 6. That's good. Yes. Okay, how about divisible by 11? Oh, very special. That's why you have to be careful on this one, okay? Watch carefully. So now, that's right. In this case, very special. You just keep adding every other numbers. Okay, so this number to this one, then this one to this. Okay, then this side, you add the other one. This and this. Just like that. Okay, let's add on the top first. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Oh, that means 12, right? Oh, 12. What about this one? Okay, 8, 3, that's 11, 1, 12. Oh, 12 and 12. Exactly the same. So that's why this one divisible by 11. Yes. Very interesting. Now, what about this one? Let's add this one, and this one to this. Okay, 0, 6, 5. That's 11. What about this and this? Okay, that's 11 and 8, 19. Okay, so that should be the same or difference. So 19 minus 11 should be 11. Then we can trust this one going to be divisible by 11, but which is not. Okay, so say again. Okay, 19 minus 11 should be 0 or 11 or 22, 33, so on. Then that's divisible by 11. Okay, that means this one is no. Okay. Okay, you remember, okay, 121. 121 means everybody knows this one, right? 11 times 11. That means divisible by 11. So why? Okay, I can prove it. Just like this one. You add this one to this one, which is 2, just like this one. Then this one to this, oh, nothing here anyway. That's why 2. 2, that means difference is 0. That's why, yes, okay, this one is divisible. Okay, what about, quickly, okay, what about 308? Okay, let's check this one out, okay? So 308 is divisible by 11. Okay, let's add. Okay, what is 3 plus 8? 11. Okay, this one to this, oh, nothing, that's why 0. 0 and 11, what's the difference? 11. That's why this one, yes. Okay, what about this one? First of all, this one right here is 1,000. This one's a million. 3,462,000. Then I don't know what hundredth digit is. Then 74. That's it. So that means I can say this one maybe X or whatever. Okay, so let's say X. Then divisible by 11. That means told you. So you gotta add this one to this one to this, and this one to this. Okay, should be yeah, let's add everything. Okay, that means 4 plus 6, that's 10, and 13 plus X, right? Okay, that means okay, X plus 13 should be should be the same, okay, as the other one. Okay, so right here and this one, just like this one. That means, okay, 7 and 2, that's 9, and this one 13. Oh, 13. That means right away, so you can move this one to your right hand side. It's going to be 0. Oh, then, okay, this can be 0. Okay, x can be 0. That's one choice. Okay, 0. Now, what about more than that, which is, okay, difference should be what? Okay, another choice for x is 11. Okay, so if this one is 11, you move this one to your right hand side, it's going to be 11. Yes, also possible. So that means I told you, okay, x can be 0 in this case, or difference is 11, or 22, 33, and so on. But in this case, 11 is 2-digit number. But I told you this was only 1-digit number right here. X can be only 1 digit. That means only 1 digit is 0 right here. Oh, that's it. 0. That's it.